Let's take a look at our practice test here. And on our first question, we know each interior angle of a regular polygon is 157.5 degrees. So what do we do to find out how many sides there are? Well, we know the total is 180 times n minus 2. But then I'm going to divide by the number of sides, and I'll get 157.5. Well, let's clear our fractions here because n's in the denominator. That's never fun to have. So we multiply both sides by n. And let's distribute it at the same time. So we get 180n minus 360 equals 157.5n. Well then, let's subtract 180n from both sides. And we'll get negative 360. I'll write it on the top over here. Equals 157.5 minus 180. And we get negative 22.5n. We'll define n, we'll divide both sides by negative 22.5. So the number of sides is, just divide those out on our calculator. And we get 16. So 16 sides is our answer. Now in question number 2, notice we have all of these exterior angles. And notice the one that's not marked I know is 90. We know the sum of the exterior angles is always 360. So I just want to solve for x. So I'm going to write an equation here. 5x plus 4x is 9x, plus 2x is 11x. And then we'll add up our numbers. Negative 10 plus 3 is negative 7. Oh, I didn't put my 90 here, did I? Plus 180. So I get plus 177. 90 plus 90 is 180. Now we just do the pre-algebra skills, solve that equation. So we get 360 minus 177. We get 183 equals 11x. So we divide by 11. Oh, I think I messed up. Let's try that again. 5, 9, 11. Negative 10 plus 3 is negative 7. 180 minus 7, oh my goodness, 173. Sorry about that. So 360 minus 173. Whoops. Is 187. Now 187 divided by 11 is 17. And that's the value of x. Okay, on question number 3. In a parallelogram, what's the relationship between adjacent angles? Well, we know in a parallelogram, we know these are parallel, right? So we know these are consecutive interior angles, so we know they're supplementary. And the opposite angles on question number 4, we know they're congruent. Now, if I got a quadrilateral, PQRS, P, Q, R, and S, I know M is the midpoint of PR, and QS. Oh, so it's a parallelogram. Now let's take a look at what do I know. Is PQ congruent to RS? Yes, it is. Is PS perpendicular? We don't have enough information. It might be or might not be, so let's not do that. Now, we know angle P is congruent to angle R. We just did that in question number 4. Is PQ congruent to QR? Once again, we need more information. Is angle P congruent to angle Q? No, they're supplementary. And PQ is not perpendicular to QR. We need more information. And that's all we would do on that question.